guys, what's up? So for today's video,
hey guys, what's up? So for today's wait. You feel that you can push me? I don't want to land in style. When she pushed me, I land in style. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Do it. Ooh. I forget again. Oh, hey guys, what's up? So for today's video, she'll be doing my hair. I know y'all missed the hair videos.
okay, y'all. So first, we're gonna take off this hot mess.
Huh?
Okay, we're gonna try.
I know you. I can't back up. Oh, Roshana.
No, it's off.
I should have come with 3. Okay, so because it's the first day of Black History Month, make some noise and drop some money on that cash out, white people. Run me that.
Slavery.
I still got my wounds. Look at my foot. You see that right there? That was from a whip. I need my reparations. I survived and I'm here. Anyways, because it's Black History Month, I wanted to start Black History Month by doing all black natural hairstyles. So, with that being said, I chose a hair texture that was very close to mine. So yes, we're gonna use a hair texture that's very close to my hair.
This is like mixing rock and water. This is not close to your hair texture at all. Who here this is? This was the person that put me in slavery. This wasn't a slave. This was a slaver hair.
You see, this is reparations though, because like you got my freedom and I got your hair right now. Clock it, clock it. Clock it, yes, clock it. You got my freedom, I got your hair. Rummy that.
Slavery.
So for the first natural hairstyle, I wanted to target the natural big forehead black girls. You know, because hello? You see it. I'm gonna teach y'all how to cover that big forehead. Okay, so we have a list of 4 hairstyles thanks to Hair by Drea on TikTok __. We're gonna be doing this one right here. That one is bomb. Honorable mention to the girls that didn't make it. You're bomb too, but you just didn't make the cut. Then we have you. I feel like this one is for the girls that are insecure and they want to embrace their hairstyle. So you know you want to like just emphasize it. This will be good for you. But today we're trying to like cover it. It's okay to be insecure. You didn't make the cut either, sweetie.
So as we do his hair, we're gonna talk about some topics that have been on our minds.
Our noggers. Our noggers. You don't watch Bailey Syrian? So first we'll blow dry the hair. Real melandro. Oh, she is combing up my hair and this is my real hair that she...
Look at that, look at that. That look,
these are the same texture.
That for the same family. Them for the same color.
It's called a mix.
Yo, who want Afro wig? A Dons human hair wig. Say $300 and we can wash it and package it for you.
Hey, this tea. Y'all, do you see my natural hair? My natural hair have grown so long. I cut my hair through torture, perm it, straighten it, cut it, dye it, bleach it. Everything you could think of in the book I did to my hair. And guess what? Not only a year later, my hair is like this, flourishing. I know. You see? Right here. This is a bob. Okay, so when we talk about these topics, we're going to part out the bangs. So the first topic is the Ariana Grande dupe.
She looks sick.
Girl, she looks sick. No, she is sick. This girl been copying Ariana Grande for 5 years straight.
She followed Ariana Grande through every phase.
She followed her through the Victoria stage.
Check.
She followed her through the Africana Grande stage.
Check.
She followed her through the sickly stage.
Double check. Ariana Grande probably at home laughing at her right now.
No, like, she like, girl, let me starve myself. Watch her starve herself right now. There, she starved herself.
And apparently she makes content.
You know what kind of content she makes. And I find this a little bit weird because it's like, girl, you making content while cosplaying as Ariana Grande? You like DJing the set and then you like, like, girl, that, you are sick.
So the next topic that I'm so tired of hearing about is the fat girl and this lift.
Oh, girl. Y'all gonna be mad at me. Y'all gonna be mad at me.
I know this one man on my For You page that does talk about this woman every single day.
Okay, so if you don't understand like the whole situation, it was like this like big girl. Like when they said she was big, I thought they were being fat phobic. No, this is a big Now that we got that out of the way, the Lyft driver, he pulled up in Mater from Cars. You know that little rusty ass car from Cars? He pulled up in that car, squeaking everything. And when he saw her, he was like, nah, you can't enter this car.
And the thing is, this man knew his car was on the verge of death. You know, like when your car struggling, barely getting by, you may break down on the side of the road, you may just don't fully roll up.
Exactly. You gotta drive with caution signs on the car and everything.
You gotta drive slow, you gotta turn on your hazard lights when you're driving on the highway. You
gotta turn the hazard lights.
Right. He knew his car could not handle this lady. And people say she would have the car doing wheelies.
Roshana, people didn't say that.
You sure?
You said that.
I did, but still.
But like, girl, like, you should know your limits. Like, if you big, like, when I say big, I don't mean like fat, I mean like XL. If you that big, like, you should know your limits. Like, first of all, like, you about to ride this car till the wheels roll off. Like, y'all about to run around like it's Flintstone and everything. Like, you know the whole Flintstones be having the car. Like, even if from the beginning, you should have known from the beginning that you should have been calling like one of the bigger lifts.
You could have got Escalade, babe. You could have got you a nice bougie, nice car. You could have got a Sprinter.
You need to order a black truck.
Girl, you could have called a tow truck. Or even bring a
girl,
you know
you got that white gummy in the corner, you lit. My thing is, right, is that I go to the comment sections and it doesn't even make it better because people are talking about how, oh, she need a crane, she need a mat truck. Like, girl, like,
this. She should have kept that secret.
No, she should have really kept that to herself because she ran to the internet thinking that she could get, like, everyone to hold up pitchforks and everything. And it backfired because it's like, everyone's looking at her like, girl,
you know
you're wrong because you can't label this as a hate crime or any type of fat phobic when you know you ordered the truck and then you got denied the service because you was big.
It's in my vehicle. He don't have to let you in.
Exactly, because first of all, the lift right from here to St. Weir was $65, but the bills that he would have to pay to get his car refixed is not worth it. And I'm sorry, but you would not get on my car if it was me. Next, with little to no effort, my hair is already in one.
That was a lot of effort.
The next topic, Popeyes and Don Julio.
I would try it.
Free my people, free my people, free my people. My people are not free. It's Black History Month and y'all acting like this. Popeyes, I feel like this is my thing, right? A certain demographic of people are always excited for stuff like this. It's like Popeyes will put chicken on fishing rod and do like this and fetch black people. They'll be like, here nigga. Here nigga. I did not forget how black people acted when the Popeyes chicken sandwich was there. People got stabbed over a Popeyes chicken sandwich. People got killed over a Popeyes chicken sandwich. People got beat over a Popeyes chicken sandwich. Workers got pulled out the drive-thru window over a Popeyes chicken sandwich.
After you said all that, you said, I don't want chicken no more. Well, this is the beginning of Black History Month and we have to let go of the shackles that chicken have us in. We're gonna try it next month. But for Black History Month, we're gonna get away from the shackles that chicken hold us in our whole life.
I'm telling you, Harriet Tubman is looking down from heavens above and she's like, strike Popeyes now. Anyways, y'all, I've been taking my time to paint. Boom. This is my painting. Well, fuck it. You pushing my head.
Stop going forward. Hold your neck strong.
Okay, this is my painting. You see the details. Oh, insert a picture because the glare is like really getting in the way. I look Somalian. Oh my god, my forehead is big. Somalian for Black History Month. Let's go. Boom. I've never said black people.
So the next topic is Astrino. Sorry. But yeah, the next topic is Astrino.
A lot of people be asking me, Don, what do you think about Astrino? Don, what do you think about Astrino? And my response is, I don't think about Astrino. Okay. Okay, I just got my hair. I want to keep it.
Honestly, I feel like Astrino is the industry plant. Like, I feel like she's forced upon us as the general public. Who is her and what is she in our face?
Y'all, this lady is on live 24/7. Like, I have never seen her cook a meal for her daughters.
She made Mexican soup rice.
Yeah, you're right. She did make Mexican soup rice.
I can't eat dry rice. I have to have it watery.
Honestly, I feel like people on TikTok need to take accountability for making her relevant.
She's on live 24/7 and everyone is funding her lives. If she wasn't making money on live, would she be on live? Everyone always talking about Astrino this, Astrino that. The people. Y'all are funding her.
If she not on live getting paid, she'll be feeding her kid.
Exactly.
Y'all adding to the fact her kid going hungry. Think about
Yeah.
it. Y'all are contributing to child abuse.
Literally. Stop giving Astrino gifts. I ain't gonna lie though. Something.
I'm not gonna lie though, but that Astrino song is kind of bomb.
I gotta do. I gotta do. I gotta do. I gotta do. I gotta Y'all, you see them whales? Look at this. This is bomb. I like this. I think that we should stay far away from type 1 here. Get a hair texture that's very close to yours. This one
It's not
seamless, but you can't even tell.
Not even close.
Delusional.
Okay, so I just looked at a reference and we need a headband around the head. So we're gonna just add that.
Let's wrap this ponytail with some hairpins.
The next topic is American lady living in Pakistan. Okay, so this lady, she was online dating some dude from Pakistan and he was like, yeah, I think I want to meet you in person. I want to get to know you. So she flew out to Pakistan to go meet him. And when she met him, apparently, I don't know what happened in between that time, but she kind of got ghosted inside Pakistan. But that's not the important part. Anyway, so she ended up living in Pakistan and now she's refusing to leave Pakistan. Like, they're begging her to go back to America. Even her family offered to pay to send her back to America, and she's in Pakistan living her best life. Like, she is a celebrity in Pakistan. Like, currently she's living in a village and all the villagers are chasing her with iPhones and shit.
It's private. I'm Muslim and it's against my religion to tell y'all my business. I'm not talking unless y'all giving me land and 2,000 or more every week.
Y'all, ain't no way we did this. This is amazing. You see this right here? This is Black history. Put me in the book. I stole hair from a white person and wore it on my head. I reversed the roles and they deserve to be in the book. Let me pause.
Get your hair shot.
Put me on a $3 bill. Make it now. Let's go. Anyways, we're gonna do the edges now. This alone is a look. This is a look. Like, it's like a bangs moment going on. Oh my god. This is gorgeous. Oh. You even know what you're doing because you lost the plot.
Make her got she bang.
And it stick to her forehead.
If you bang sit to your forehead, it ain't gonna be like that.
Exactly, that's what I wanted. You do the hairstyle how you see it in the book. If I'm paying for a service, I expect to see my service like this. I did not ask for no messy bangs. I asked for this. This is what I want right here. This is what I want. Right here. Let me do this myself because clearly you don't know how to do her.
And they do the whole hairstyle? Anyways, guys, that's all for today's video.
Right.
Totally.
Yeah, you see it. You see it.
Tell us how y'all like the hairstyle. Rate it 1 to 10. I did it, so it have to be a 10. Follow us on all social medias at officialshonda_ and
Dons.life.
T. Tell us what y'all want to see from us, and bye-bye.